What if the secret to the most explosive plant growth you've ever seen was sitting in your kitchen cupboard right now and you've been throwing it away for years? Just 1 tablespoon of this can make a huge difference. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn it into 2 full liters of the most effective natural fertilizer your garden has ever seen for almost zero cost. Your tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, almost every plant in your garden can benefit from this. Now, before I show you how to make this, let me tell you why it actually works. Because once you understand this, you'll never look at oats the same way again. Oats are packed with 3 things every plant are literally hungry for. Nitrogen. This is what pushes that dark green, explosive leafy growth you see in healthy plants. Phosphorus. This goes straight to the roots and tells your plant to flower and fruit harder. And potassium. This is the plant's immune system. It's what keeps disease away and makes your fruit develop thick, strong, and full. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike synthetic fertilizers that dump everything at once and can actually burn your roots, oats release these nutrients slowly, steadily, like a drip feed your plant can actually absorb and use. And the pH? Completely neutral, so it works in any soil without throwing anything off balance. 1 bag of oats, almost zero cost, and it feeds your entire garden for a full growing season. Step 1. Now, here's where we actually start making this. Take 1 tablespoon of regular oatmeal and grind it into a fine powder. A coffee grinder works great, but honestly, even a blender or mortar and pestle will do the job. Now, why grind it? Because whole oats are stubborn. The nutrients are locked inside the cell walls, and water alone can't break them open fast enough. Grinding the oats helps them break down much faster in water, which means your plants can absorb the nutrients more easily. Step 2. Now add the oat powder to half a liter of warm water. Why warm water? Because cold water barely wakes these nutrients up. Warm water helps the oats break down faster and gets the goodness dissolving and releasing properly. Give it a good stir until the powder is fully mixed, then leave it to soak for a few hours. I usually make mine in the morning, and by lunchtime it's ready to use. Step 3. Once it's finished soaking, strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine strainer. What you want is a smooth, clean liquid with no bits left in it, so it pours easily and doesn't clog your watering can. Mind, it won't be perfectly clear. It'll have a slight milky, cloudy tint to it. That cloudiness is actually the nutrients. Speaking of those leftover oat solids, don't throw them away. Mix them directly into your soil around the base of your plants. They'll break down slowly and keep feeding the roots for weeks. Step 4. Now dilute the strained mixture with another 1.5 liters of water. And that's it. Just surprising, you took 1 single tablespoon of oats and turned it into 2 full liters of natural fertilizer that would cost you several dollars at any garden store. And the best part? You made it in your kitchen for almost nothing. Pour it slowly onto the soil around the base of the plant, not onto the leaves. You want this to go straight down to the roots where it can actually be absorbed and used, because the roots are where the real feeding happens. Use it about once a month, not more, either before planting to enrich the soil or during the growing season as a gentle feed. You'll notice the difference within a few weeks. Deeper green leaves, stronger stems, and much better fruiting. It works especially well on tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, onions, garlic, flowers. Honestly, whatever you're growing, this works on it. I started using it on my indoor plants, and they responded really well.
Nature really gives us simple solutions. Most people just overlook them. And oats might be one of the easiest natural fertilizers you can make at home. 1 tablespoon of oats, 2 liters of fertilizer, and a garden that's about to look completely different. It was sitting in your kitchen cupboard the whole time, waiting for you to notice it. If this video helped you, drop a comment right now and tell me 2 things. Where in the world are you watching from, and which plant are you trying this on first? I read every single comment, and I genuinely love seeing where this community reaches around the world. And if you enjoy simple, practical gardening tips like this, subscribe for more. See you in the next one.